Let me show you why these FH group car seat covers are such a great find for busy moms like us. First off, they're incredibly easy to install. I was pleasantly surprised to find that the instructions are right there on the product page. Super convenient and no guessing games. It only took me a few minutes to get them on my seats, and they fit so smoothly, giving my car an instant upgrade. Now let's talk about features. The back of the covers has handy pockets, perfect for storing on the go essentials like snacks, toys, or even your tablet. It's such a thoughtful touch that keeps helps keep the car organized. Safety is a top priority, and these covers don't disappoint. They're designed with special stitching on the side that's airbag compatible, so you can drive with peace of mind knowing that they won't interfere with your vehicle's safety features. And for the practical moms out there, you'll love that these covers are machine washable. Whether it's spills, dirt, or everyday wear and tear, just toss them in the wash and they're good as new. Overall, these car seat covers combine style, safety, and practicality, making them a perfect addition to your car. They've made my life so much easier, and I know you'll love them too.